Dreaming of an easy way to lengthen and strengthen your natural nails? Tired of trying to repair those chips, dents, and scratches? Introducing Builder Gel by ASP, the new and easy-to-use DIY nail kit to lengthen, strengthen, and repair your natural nails. Not sure you have what it takes to create your own perfect set of salon-style nails? Well, here's your personal invitation to join world-class nail professional Marilyn Garcia at an exclusive ASP Builder Gel educational event. Hosted by DIY University by Sally Beauty Live. This streaming event will be broadcast live on YouTube, Facebook, and sallybeauty.com on May 4th at 7 p.m. Central Time. No matter what your skill level, beginner or seasoned pro, this class will teach you all the secrets on how to use ASP Builder Gel. Follow us at ASP Nail on Instagram and Facebook for more information on this amazing event, ASP Builder Gel, and other incredible ASP products. ASP is sold exclusively at all Sally Beauty stores nationwide and online at sallybeauty.com.